Hey guys, welcome to week 2. This is your Watch Me First for week 2, which is going to be posted right over here. So this week you have 2 assessments or 2 assignments. The first assignment that you have is your course quiz. Your course quiz is for 10 points and they are 11 questions that are all related to the syllabus and the course introduction video. So if you have read the syllabus and watch the course introduction video, you should not have any problems with the course quiz. I am absolutely okay if you keep the syllabus open with you and take the course quiz or anything like that. This is for you to be able to understand the various expectations more. The second thing that you are going to be doing is your discussion board on the research topic and the question. So in this discussion board, let me highlight that once again. So for the discussion board, here it is. This discussion board is going to be the same one that we are going to be doing next week. However, the expectation for this week is you have to post your broad research topic, specific research topic that you want to research within it, your specific research question, variables, and type of study. Now, when I talk about type of study, I mean whether you're going to do quantitative study, whether it's going to relate to numbers, or qualitative study, which is like perspectives, thoughts, opinions, or a mixed method study, which will have both the quant and the qual. Keep your research question doable, something that you can do in your workplace. And so you're going to be posting this. I understand that some of you may have a better idea than the others, which is absolutely fine. The sooner you post your stuff, the sooner I will provide you feedback which you can revise and resubmit and actually get a better grip on this. So this is actually a formative discussion board. So at the end of the week, I'm actually going to check whether you have all of those things or not posted. So if you post it early, I can provide you feedback and you can revise and repost it again. So that's how it's going to be. Because next week, when you have the same discussion board, it would be you giving 2 peers some things and making 2 instructor revisions. So if you already made 1 instructor revision, you're actually already working ahead of it. So this is something that you need to really think about. Just don't post anything, because this is what is going to give you the direction for your study. I have also posted the rubric. So here is the rubric for your research topic. How is it going to be graded? And here is a PowerPoint that actually talks about writing and choosing what it is. First, decide what you're interested in, starting. Remember, this is an investigation. You're not setting out to prove something. You are going to be using this in your applied research, but for this, want it to be narrow. And basically, what is something that I really talk about is the fact that it is doable. Think about doing this study in a semester. When you go to applied research, actually doing this study. So this is what you want to think about as to why you want to conduct the study, which will give you the purpose for it and help you with those things. Is there a lot that has been done out there, but not in this context? Is there a gap in a research about this part? Or it has been done as very outdated and no new research has been there? So lots of those things is to think about as you choose your research topic. This is all that you have. And so if you have any question, please let me know. I am here. Let me see. I actually think I did not talk about what do I mean by variables. So what do I mean by variables is if you are doing a quantitative study, you have your independent variable and your dependent variable. So basically, if I am looking at hours of study and grade, so grade is dependent on hours of study, right? So if you're doing a quantitative study, what is your independent variable and dependent variable? If you're doing a qualitative study, what are you collecting? I could be surveying teachers about impact of COVID on their student learning. So impact of COVID on student learning, teacher responses is my variable that I'm collecting data on. When you have a quantitative study, you have independent and dependent variables. When you have a qualitative study, you don't have independent and dependent variable. You just have a variable. That's what you have. Okay, so impact of COVID and student learning. Those are the two things that you're looking at through the teacher survey. So those are the things to think about as you work on your research topic and question. Feel free to use the course question discussion board and post any questions you have. I am right here to help you get a successful research question. Best of luck.